Jamaican shore fishing here, guys. Big up yourself. I just started doing the intro a while ago and I get a phone call right away. My buddy's saying Merry Christmas, but Merry Christmas to all of you guys. I'm actually heading home to country, to my birth town, my original place where I'm from. See my family, see my friends, my loved ones, and just go show myself, because I haven't been up all year really much. So I'm gonna head up, guys, and get to see some of my family. So I will vlog some of this trip going up, so you guys, I can share this with you guys and share my hometown and my home country where I'm from, guys, in Jamaica here. So big up yourself, stay tuned, guys. Jamaican shore fishing, we are out here. One love. Hey guys, so we heading up Falmouth side now in Saltmarsh on the road. Heading up the road, guys. That's what's up. Jamaican shore fishing, we are out here, guys. Check it out. Not much of a scenic route, but you don't know. On at the time. Well, you see it, guys, outside. We reached up into Trelawney, approaching Clarkstown, and this is a cane piece. The road is horrible, guys. Horrible road here, guys. And we're just taking our time and going through and heading for Manchester Parish, guys. So stay tuned, guys. We came out of one part of the cane piece. That's rum factory down there. Clarkstown Rum Factory. I don't remember the name. I think it was Pondside rum factory. I'm not too sure on the name of it. I've pulled sugarcane so long I should be knowing this stuff by heart, but unfortunately I can't remember it, guys. So entering the town of Clarkstown, guys, and we're gonna head over the mountains, over the mountain ranges up there, guys, and head up into Cristiana. We go into pretty high altitudes, and that's where I'm from, guys, up in the hills of Jamaica. Where most of the maroons right off to. So stay tuned, guys. Jamaican shore fishing. I'll keep this camera rolling while we go through these bad roads in the middle of Clarkstown in Christmas Day, guys. Alright, so Christmas Day traveling, guys. We're heading up the country and doing our thing. And the road is horrible through this town, boy, I kid you not. But they fixed the road a little bit better up further, guys. And just stay tuned. Police station. Oh man, damn, big pothole in front of the police station, guys. So you have your Superior gas station here in Clarkstown, guys. Yep, this is it. Rolling through. My cousin Bruce, he lives up here. Big up to Bruce. Rest in peace, bro. Trucker, same way. Came up to his 9-night here. And they kept it right in the middle of the square. One of the biggest things that happened up here. So this is the town of Clarkstown, guys, and then we on to the town of Albertown next. So stay tuned, guys. Traveling, Jamaican shore fishing. This dodo, guys, pulls out of the spot to block me out. Damn idiot. But check it out, guys. Clarkstown Township. And we do nothing outside. And so this trip is like basically where I'm from is a 99.9% farming community. Pretty much everybody in that community farms. So basically is that just going up to get a little country vibe, visit my people, show you guys some of my heritage and where I'm from, and some of my background and history of my family, guys, and people in my area. So just stay tuned, guys, and I'll share some of this wonderful experience with you guys and see how you guys like my country. You know what I'm saying? I'm going through some beautiful places right now, guys. Really beautiful places here. Hills and lush greenery and everything. And I'm just taking my time and cruising on up and just doing my thing, guys. So stay tuned, Jamaican shore fishing, guys. We'll have this epic adventure for you guys today. And I hope the roastfish and saltfish, roast yam and saltfish, guys, open out. Stop and get a little piece right there before I go up for dinner. Which is pretty early still. It's 10 o'clock in the morning, guys. I'm way ahead. So I have time to work that off. So stay tuned, guys. Jamaican shore fishing. We are out here, guys. Big up yourselves. We're actually shooting up through the hills right now. Going up the hills, guys. Definitely. It's pretty narrow through here, but they just fixed this road, guys. And I'll turn it to the side of it so you guys can see. Goddamn bus coming too close to my side, guys. Yo, this is shit scary, guys. I should have this camera on this mount. I'm gonna actually change it off when I get a chance to stop and put the camera on the camera mount so I can record from the dash a little bit better, guys. So stay tuned. We're actually going uphill and it's all incline from here all the way up to Cristiana, guys. It's all mountains. So there's no more flats going through here, guys. Look at this beautiful scene, guys. Check this out. Jamaican shore fishing. We are out here. Loving this. Hey guys, welcome to the Alps, guys. Alps up in Trelawney here. My sun is gleaming in on this windshield a bit, guys. But we're going through these cliffs and we're just traveling up. As I said before, guys, it's all incline going straight up. And this is the same way the Jamaica Vibe Adventures. Big up Jamaica Vibe Adventures the same way, guys. Merry Christmas. You know what I'm saying, to you and your family. We're actually at South Trelawney Alps. We're in the Alps right now, guys. South Trelawney. Heading up to Northern Trelawney. So where I'm from. Alright, guys, so stay tuned. I will drop clips in along the trip, along the way, guys, and keep you guys posted on these roads and how it is. Tricky through here, guys. When you see this in a very tight trucks and car coming through at the same time. Really crazy scenario through here sometimes, guys. But like I said, when you're a hills boy, you know what it is. You know what I'm saying? You come from the hills of Jamaica, and not from the coastline. That's what you have to go through to get home in Christmas time, guys. We all normally go home during Christmas time. Okay? So, yeah, man, go back up and get back your roots and thing and link up back with your peoples and thing and reconnect back. You see me? Yeah, man. So the things up, guys. So stay tuned, Jamaican shore fishing, guys. We are here. And just a travel road. One vehicle in front of one easy. I'm not in no rush. Taking my time and just cruising on. Alright, guys. So stay tuned. Yeah, guys. So still going up to the hills of Trelawney, guys. Rolling up through here. Road's bad. I didn't know it got that bad back here in the last couple of months, guys. I ran up on a pothole a while ago. Holy smokes. What are you doing, Jamaican government? Jano, look at this. This is horrible, guys. Yeah, man. Why you figure say your tax money or eat someplace, though? Guess not. Yeah. That road on fat pocket, you see? So what's up? So we up in the hills, guys. Way up top. And just climbing altitude, guys. As you see, we keep on climbing. We're going uphill. Not even a joke about it. So hitting almost the peaks, guys, that you can actually get a view. We're in Albertown. Just entering Albertown now, guys. Yep, township of Albertown. So, welcome to Albertown, guys. Small town, not that big. A little small roundabout in the middle of the town, and after that, it's all country roads after that. There we go, roundabout, and the town is done already. So, big up to Albertown people, guys. Passing through the town of Albertown. Fishing. Come on. Heading home, guys. Heading up the country, see my family. Roads are tight in here, guys. You gotta be careful. It's Christmas Day. All these music and stuff playing. I'm probably gonna have to talk that part over. We're shooting it through, guys. So exiting Albertown now, guys. Stay tuned. We want to get you some more live footage of what's happening out here in the streets of Jamaica, inside the country, guys. I head the country today. Pull up a lot of vibes in the country today. That's it. Albertown gas station, ABM machine, guys. Yes, big up. Hey guys, please like, share, and subscribe to the thing, guys. Remember, watch the ads. Okay, we set for the New Year's. We're not playing with this. Happy holidays, guys. I'm on shot it through the country here. So stay tuned, guys. We're not going to hold up by recording on this. Jamaican shore fishing. We are out here. Alright, so we just stop at the roast yam and sawfish place. Grab a roast yam and sawfish breakfast real quick. So you know, so we have to put in something. And go, so now we are move off. And we are shot it. Going to Cristiana now. We left out of Albert Town, way up in the hills of northern Trelawney, guys. And we're just taking our time going in. And my seatbelt down here. So yeah, guys. So just take the time when I shot it go and heading into Cristiana side, and then from Cristiana around to Devon, where I'm from, guys. So just taking our time and going through these hills here, guys. Way up in altitude. Altitude changes make my ears pop in. All you can see a yam ground, 99% farming community up these sides, up on the jackfruit, guys. Come on. So everything up here is farming. Majority of people up here live off of farming. People build their houses off of farming. You know what I'm saying? Everybody work and live within their community here up in these parts. So I'm saying, guys, stay tuned. I'm sure say a lot of you probably seen lots of parts of this of Trelawney already, but just showing you what's going on up here, guys. Up here, so Jamaica Vibes Adventures come from, like I said before. Big up to Jamaica Vibes Adventures, guys. Jenna, same way. See it? Yeah, man. So, if I go on cruise, same way, guys, and I go on pull on through, Segway, Jamaican shore fishing, are out here. Just stay tuned for this. Something happening here, guys. Let's see what's happening. Got a car coming around the corner or something happening here. Come on, man. Yeah, I'm an idiot. Sit and drop over this, guys. I'm gonna try to take it with crane. So, yeah, things fall off the sides here. Happens. So this is what's up, guys. So stay tuned for more epic scenes from up here, guys. I'm trying to save some of this recording time. I'm gonna have to take some of this memory off of this card when I get back to the other house, and so I can save memory from yesterday's video. I haven't even edited yesterday's video yet. Look at this scenery, guys. Wow, look at that. This is what's up. This is in the hills of Trelawney, yam country, guys. 99.9% of the yam in Jamaica come from. Straight farming up here, so guys. All the ground provisions, Irish potato, yam, and then something that come from up here, so guys. Tomatoes, table tomatoes and cooking tomatoes, all different stuff. I'm passing by these houses. I was driving my windows down before, guys, and the smell of food coming from all these houses was killing me. I'm sitting here like, damn, everybody's cooking up a storm up here. Like, wow, man, this is awesome. This is totally awesome, guys. So these are the roads of Trelawney, guys. Actually, some parts of it is pretty good, some parts of it is pretty bad. So these are the good parts of it right now. They just done recently, did these roads already recently. And have a little bit of water damage here and there, but other than that, good. We're approaching Wait a Bit, all age school. I'm on the way back, guys. Hope here's some friend Shane come from. Shane's wife. Big up to Shane and his wife, same way. Shane Smith, big up yourself outside. And big shout out to Audrey, other guys, my cousin. Big up to Audrey, thank you Audrey, I appreciate it. She did a wicked donation to the channel lately, guys. And we got ourselves a nice 6-axis spinner. So big up to Audrey, guys, definitely big up to Audrey. And definitely, guys, we out here, guys, and doing our thing. Big up to a couple of my subscribers, same way, definitely. Just driving through, guys, so stay tuned. Jamaican shore fishing, guys. We are out here. Yeah, guys, welcome back, guys. It looks like they blocked off the town of Cristiana. You can't drive through the town, so you got to go on the bypass. So this is the Cristiana bypass, guys. We're entering the town of Cristiana, and I'm almost home. About 20 minutes away. I feel good. I'm in country. Yes, guys, but this is my hometown where I was born and raised and where I'm from. So, you know what I'm saying? Love my place, guys. This is what's up. YouTube. Yeah, man. All my family is on this side, guys. Majority of my family lives up here. So, this is like roots, foundation, stomping grounds. And it feels so good to be home. Yeah, man. So, link up back with families, friends, and loved ones, guys, for today. And see what what's happening. You know what I'm saying? Oh. Yeah guys, so this is the town of Cristiana to the left to go in town. I'm not trying to go in town because in there is probably crowded and clustered right now. I'm not even trying to hear that. See how much memory I got left on this card. I don't have much time left on this card. I might have to switch my memory card. So, yep, Apple Tree Plaza up here guys. And then we go into Blockery Gate next. And then on to the rest of Cristiana side. We're exiting Cristiana because I don't live exactly in the town. I live in Devon, Manchester. So stay tuned guys. Almost there. When people drive like, you know. So guys, so this is the town of Cristiana. So they passing through. Big up to my cuz Rowan. Lives out here to this side. Then up on top of the hill up there that you see coming up in front of us, where you see that big white house up there, guys. Behind that is a big house. That's my cousin Ray's house. O'Neill. Big up to Ray and O'Neill. The majority of my family here, guys. So I'm gonna have to make a round and just check everybody today. I might go around and just link up with everybody. So that's what's up. Middlesex School up here, then you come up to Sacred Heart, and then keep left guys is where you go to Homewood or Knox College into Spalding's, Manchester or Clarendon side. This is part of Clarendon and Manchester. So this is it guys. Rough road here. We'll be on smooth road again soon. Heading straight around to my brother's guys. So exiting Cristiana right now, this is keep left, like you go to Homewood Technical High School or you go into Spalding's, and then we're going to stay to the right and head to Shudley, and down at Shudley is where we're going to make a right turn and turn into my road, which enters my community, so there's no more turn offs after that. So that is it guys, you know, this handles, I'll take it up, check how much memory I have on this guys. Enter into my country road guys. Thank you guys for joining us. Please like, share, and subscribe and watch the ad guys. I know this is not your normal fishing content guys, but this is something that's part of my roots and part of me and part of my culture. So I'm back home. This is our local gas station, the only one that's here. Trust me, it's a hike if you have to come out of here to get gas. So this is Marja Block. This is our block factory, local quarry that's here within my community. And we get our cinder blocks and mall and sand and gravel and stuff from this block factory for most of our local community. Majority of houses that are built around here, either that one or Ronnie Barrett's, which was up top, which is no longer is here. So this is my road guys. If you notice that red dirt already, country road. So stay tuned guys. I might have to split this video into parts or speed up the video or something, make it shorter. But as you notice, my country road is pretty good, ain't it? Yeah. So yeah guys. So right here is my aunt's house coming up on the left here. Right there on the left is my aunt's house, my aunt Mama's house. She does a lot of farming and stuff too. They're both here and abroad, so she's around. And just heading in, guys. So we're like 10 minutes out now, guys. This is Dedham Farm, another community that's connected to my community, which in majority of the people that moved from my community built houses out here in Dedham Farm. And pretty big, nice houses out here, guys. Really nice houses. I have a friend that has a house here on the corner that's pretty nice. Big up, rest in peace, bro. Angie, same way. Big up yourself, Angie. He's talking the fort now and stuff. So let's take our times, guys, and we're shooting around. So this is my country road, guys. Come on. I'm gonna get to view all of this nice country road. You don't come from around here because you don't know the roads, that's for sure. This is my place. Yeah guys, so I'm gonna stop, check my brother, have a drink with him real quick, eat something, get something in my system for lunch before I go to dinner later, and check the rest of the family, pick them up, see what they're up to. So this is, like I said guys, this is all farming back here. There's nothing back here except for farming in my community, apart from our building that's in the town square. And we have a couple of buildings, a few buildings in the town square our family has. So stay tuned guys. Jamaican shore fishing, Christmas Day traveling. So most likely the guy that's driving that pickup truck, I know him pretty well. I haven't been around in a while, so I really don't remember all the vehicles by heart anymore. They change vehicles very rarely around here. They stick with them for a long time until they die, I guess. So it is what it is. But they do get the vehicle new and they just run it like that for a while, guys. So, this is my town, guys. Welcome to Devon, Manchester, guys. This is my hometown. Yep. Welcome to my hometown, guys. I'm home. I feel like taking my shoes off and walking barefoot already. I guess we're having a party here later because I see a sound truck. You know what I'm saying? This is my hometown. Yep. Party later. Setting up sound, so out here is going to be busy later. Setting up sound system. And stuff here. People gonna be partying out here later tonight, guys. I'll be on my way home, or I'll probably stay here tonight. So our property starts at this point here, guys, all the way out to the end of the road down there. And this is our home right here, guys. This is my home here in the town. But I'm not gonna stop here now. I'm gonna go up to my brother's house. So this is my house right here, guys. This is my place, and town square of Devon. So what I'm gonna do? Run up to my brother's real quick. Check my brother out, see what he's up to, see what's popping, and yell him up. Alright guys, and this is our local greenhouses up here. They're all shelled down by now, but we're gonna go into this lane up here, guys. Yo. Where are you at, the walk?
No, so not drive, right? That's not the so.
Oh, where you go?
You know, me I go Cristiana come back.
You go where?
Me I go Cristiana come back.
So, we just reached my brother's house that's under construction. He's building his house. And he's actually renovating and building it out. So, stay tuned, guys. Jamaican Shore Fishing, we're out here. Jamaican Shore Fishing here, guys. Big up yourself. Welcome back to the channel, guys. I'm home. I'm home in my hometown. I'm here. Look. All farming community, guys. We're here at my people's place. I'm here with my brother and my friends. I gotta change this battery real quick, but once I change this battery, guys, I'm gonna jump back in and get you guys to see what's happening. So stop, check a couple of my friends first, guys. About to have a few drinks with them and, you know, build a little vibes and whatever the case might be, and just keep it moving. Move on to the next spot. But stay tuned, guys. Jamaican Shore Fishing, we are out here. Jamaican Shore Fishing here, guys. Yeah, I have to do a battery change real quick. So we're there, guys. We're there in my community, Devon, Manchester, and this is one of the roads to the place. Want to see what I want? Little small roads, country vibe, guys. But stay tuned, guys. I'm gonna have to talk this over because you don't know music is playing in the background. So pick up yourself. I'm very rich kid in the place. Then you have Day in the Night place, you know, Jamaican Shore Fishing Day. I'm up on the ends, guys.
We're out here.
Yeah, we're out here, guys. That's what's going on. So stay tuned, Jamaican Shore Fishing. Pick up yourself. Don't want to play too much music. Don't want to get a copyright strike on YouTube, guys. Definitely just want to show you a look of pre and how everything's set. So I'm going back this way, and we're gonna check out a few people's, link a few stops. Damn, that don't look good. His whole door got busted off. That don't look good at all in the Christmas here. So look up yourself, guys. Jamaican shore fishing out here. All right, stay tuned. They're on a different end. They're on Virgin Dane Place. This is where I've spent a lot of time. Dane Lewis. We used to build caskets, guys. Me and Dane used to build caskets. I used to build caskets personally with Dane, and we used to build these beauties. So anytime we're ready for one of them, yeah, just let me know and we can start out for you. See? Nice pretty thing for them. You see, guys? Let's episode. Then some old Jamaican backyard settings and nice country. Still have tank in them place the same way. That's how we get the water source, concrete tank. Original old school, all closed up online same way, people. But this is the wood shop that we built caskets and furniture, guys. Come on, carry on in there. Around here, so when we was off from TNP something, we built all these caskets. Me and Dane. I'm sure you've seen Dane and us in many videos. Big up to Dane. Dane Lewis Funeral Services, guys. Yes. Make sure you check them out. And if you have parents or people who have passed away and you want some caskets and them something to build, Dane is still in operative. Yeah. So funeral arrangements, funeral parlor, casket building from scratch and everything, guys. So this is where me and Dane used to work on holy hours.
Yeah, yes. Hours, man, hours.
Yes, and holy rum.
Yeah. And here we have it here.
Christmas. Our startup, guys. We start up already. So we don't get the thing started already, guys. We're my mains, and we're there in my country, in my hometown, the place of birth, my bridging of life. You see it? So
that's even better. We are brothers.
Like brothers, call it that. Yeah. I mean, I think call them for Christmas. Boy. Big up people, you see me? We outside. Look at my cousin around there, so. Why you look up, you know? Look up, man. Oi, look up, people. Look at my cousin around this. So. See my cousin around this, people. I know, backyard in there, my roast pork. Yes, Trenton. Yes, if you're not roast pork in Christmas, you're not say nothing. You see it? Yeah, outside, guys. My backyard, all lychee trees. Chinese guineas, as you call it in Jamaica. These are all lychee trees. So, coming downstairs. Yeah, man. Hi, Papa. Look at this guy. What's up? Yeah, man. Whoa. Look at this. Yo, YouTubers. Yo, people. Look here, my damn yard. And my cousin Ricky. What's look on this now? Chicken. And we have the ham. We have ham over here, so guys, look at that. And Europe's. I mean, the country macaroni and cheese. Oh God, peoples, look at this. And gravy. Yo, peoples, we're there. So my cousin Ricky, people, cause I pull out the works, cause all the ribs to look here. My Christmas vibes, you know, guys. We have vlogged the thing. Big up, cause Ricky. Cause busy. Everybody else there, so I host peoples. I play video games. And group soups. I mean, if you play with them toys and things, guys. So, big up yourself. We're here. I'm about to eat some food and we're house hopping and go on one different night. So, stay tuned. Big up. Alright, Jamaican shore fishing, guys. We're here. Our family. I know it's be a Chinese Jamaican there, so guys, obviously. Niece. Keisha, no, I act like a older folks in a piece. Because Keisha, man, I see me in group, I mean, I'm oldest. So, you have Keisha, and brother Richie, cousin Ricky, my nephew, and guys, I want to see my cousin Natalie too, you know. Yeah, see her, yeah. I want to look around, she not video, but I want to look around, my cousin still up people, share some good food, people. That's what's up. We're vlogging our Christmas holiday, guys. That's what's up. There's some of my family. It's my nephew. Yo, ladies, if you want a handsome young guy, got a nice, long, pretty hair, look at him. Jamaican, Chinese, look on the chinky eye and brown skin, ladies. Think up. We're outside, guys. So, we're there, so guys, I'm a bit of local vibes with the family and things. So, no, so we're outside. Alright? Outside. Here we're going. There are some departments. They're in my hometown, my home country where I come from, guys. Yeah, my brother Rochi there, so.
Yeah.
Rochi's son. We're there so from generations, guys. We have Dre, the General Dovey. Come from here. 99% farming community, guys. But we're there so at Christmas. And all the local vibes. And we're there so, guys. Community love, guys. I'm a place. I am home, guys. And I feel happy. Big up yourself, Jamaican shore fishing. We are out here. Yeah. Guys. Yeah, Jamaican shore fishing, guys. I end up on my sister late. She don't be pissing at me. But we're here, guys. At my sister. So we're here. Ready, Ross Clark. This man left me around the devil and come around here, so. Hello. Hold on. Yo, peoples. Yo, what going? Now fling one big stone into this bum. Hi guys. How you doing? But I'm vlogging at the same time, but I see somebody around here, so look for. You seen the people? Remember that guy over there? So I won't see no face. Hold on there. Big up to my sister Pink's guy. Here's my sister, but.
Ready?
You see this nigga here? Yeah. Big up yourself. Big up. My nephew. Big up. Sis. All this. You see me? So, here we go, guys. We're there, sir. You see me? Outside. Alright, YouTube. That's it. I'm just getting back into Montego Bay. After a long damn day, boy. I've been hitting up family, loved ones, all of that today, guys. Just been moving around the country and linking up my peoples, guys. Christmas Day. So, guys, thank you for joining us. I appreciate it, guys. Please like, share, and subscribe to the thing. Just reach home. I'm over here. I'm about 5 minutes out from my house. I'll do another closing after this. Alright, guys, stay tuned. Jamaican shore fishing. We are out here.